Turmeric has a very long history of medicinal use. It dates back to the Vedic age nearly 4,000 years ago. In fact, turmeric is so powerful that it's also called the golden spice of India. Turmeric or haldi belongs to the ginger family and is actually an underground stem. The stem turns to an orange-yellow color that we all know is the color of haldi. India produces 80% of the world's turmeric production. In fact, not only does India produce the most amount of turmeric, but it also consumes and exports it the most. In an Indian kitchen, haldi or turmeric is one of the most common spices. No sabzi or dal is complete without adding a bit of haldi. Not only does haldi give flavor and color to our food, it also has a lot of health benefits. First of all, haldi has a dense nutritional profile. It has manganese, iron, potassium, beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acids, and dietary fiber. Most importantly, it has curcumin, a miracle ingredient in turmeric which is full of antioxidants. A lot of high-quality studies have been done on turmeric and curcumin, and they prove what our ancestors already knew. To start with, curcumin removes toxins from the bloodstream. Turmeric helps improve blood flow. Ancient Indian Ayurveda used turmeric to open up the blood vessels and improve blood circulation. A study found that having 2000 milligrams of curcumin daily for 12 weeks led to a 37% increased blood flow in the forearm. So, how much haldi do you need to take daily? 1 teaspoon of haldi has about 200 milligrams of curcumin. That means you need to put 10 teaspoons into your diet every day. It's very important to know this fact, otherwise, health studies make it seem that turmeric and curcumin are the same. We know it's humanly not possible to have this much haldi in a day. That's why you should have it as an oral supplement, along with some pepper, which will help absorb the curcumin better. Now that you know this, let's move on to the next benefit of turmeric. If you or a family member suffers from arthritis, then you should definitely give them turmeric because it has anti-inflammatory properties. And we know that it can help remove swelling and pain in people with arthritis. The next benefit of turmeric is, you must have heard it guys, turmeric is very good for your skin. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, and when you apply turmeric to your face for a while, it gives a beautiful glow to the skin. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory properties and it can give back luster and glow to the skin. Turmeric can also help against acne and some other dermatological problems. This is one big reason why weddings in India have a haldi ceremony where the bride and groom are smeared with turmeric. The afterglow is mind-blowing. Turmeric's benefits are definitely not just skin deep. Turmeric also helps against viral infections, PMS, high cholesterol, and more. After all, it's not for nothing that turmeric is called the golden spice of India. Keep following us for more such content.